Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between yoga and you and home cooking. Today we are going to show you how to make homemade protein powder using simple ingredients. This nutritious blend combines the goodness of nuts, seeds, roasted gram and makhana to create a delicious protein-rich mix. So let's get started and check it out. Starting with 30 grams of almonds, that is badam. Next add 30 grams of cashew nuts, 30 grams of pistachios, 30 grams of walnuts, 50 grams of roasted chana dal or sattu as we call this. Next I'm adding 10 grams of melon seeds, 10 grams of pumpkin seeds and 10 grams of sunflower seeds. Keeping the flame on medium, roast the ingredients for about 3 to 4 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes, so you can see all the nuts are roasted beautifully. Remove from the pan and just transfer to a plate to cool them completely. To the same pan, add 50 grams of makhana, that is lotus seeds or fox nuts. Roast the makhana for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So after 3 minutes you can see the makhana is roasted beautifully. Turn off the stove, transfer it to a plate and cool it completely. Once the ingredients have cooled down, transfer it to a mixer jar. For sweetness, I'm adding 30 grams of rock sugar or rock candy. For a mild color and flavor, I'm adding quarter teaspoon of saffron strands. This is entirely optional. If you don't have it, you can make this protein mix without the saffron. Grind all the ingredients to a nice fine powder. So there you have it, this wholesome, healthy, homemade, naturally delicious protein powder that's really simple and easy to make. Transfer to a nice glass jar or container and you can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week or so. Just a couple of teaspoons in a glass of warm milk can become a nourishing part of your daily routine. Whether you're a growing child, an active adult or simply looking for a wholesome drink made with natural ingredients, this homemade protein powder is a wonderful way to support your daily energy and overall well-being. Finally, I'm just garnishing with some sliced almonds and pistachios and a few saffron strands. There you go, here is this wonderful energy booster that you can make at home and enjoy it every day. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our yoga channel and share all these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy and stay nourished.